Let's recap what I think was the biggest announcement of Team 25, and that is all about Rovo pricing. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you drop a like, and let's talk about one of the biggest, if not the biggest announcement coming out of Team 25 in Anaheim, California. And that is Rovo is included in Jira, Confluence, and Jira Service Management for paid, I should rephrase, for current paid subscribers. So that means if you're on the standard, premium, or enterprise versions of Jira, you are going to get Rovo included in your price. Now, Atlassian is starting the rollout with premium and enterprise customers first. They did not provide any insights as to when standard subscribers are going to be able to get Rovo, but know that if you're on premium and enterprise, Rovo is going to be included for free. And this is very, very important because last year at Team 24, Atlassian announced Rovo to the world. It was the world debut, and it had a little bit of a misstep. And that is the price was rather expensive. So not only did you have to buy Jira and Confluence and JSM and get the premium versions of them, but you also had to buy a completely separate purchase for Rovo. It was like about $20, $24 a user per month. And in typical Atlassian fashion, you don't just buy it for the 2, 3, 5 people that want it. You have to buy it for your entire organization. So if you have a 5,000 person organization, you can buy in Rovo for a lot of people. And over the last year, Atlassian had a little bit of a hard time driving adoption. And with any new technology, you have to drive adoption. And there's no better way to drive adoption than when something is free. And so Atlassian is not officially using the word free. They are using the word included. And so with your current subscription of Jira, Confluence, or JSM, again, premium or enterprise first, eventually standard, you will get Rovo included. And I don't know about you, but this is a pretty big deal, right? This is going to help drive adoption. This is going to drive folks that want to try out Rovo. They're going to be enabled because it's just going to be included. So now you just got to get over through your privacy and security policies. But if you want to use Rovo and you're on a paid version of Jira, you're going to have zero excuse because it's just going to be included in your subscription package already. And so this is really cool. I think this is a smart move by Atlassian. Kind of sad it took them a year to figure it out, but it's a smart move and everybody's going to start using it. And what I think is going to happen here is Atlassian's going to build kind of like an Apple walled garden, right? So the same way, once you get your iOS device, you have to get your iPad, you have to get your AirPods, you have to get your Mac because it's all seamless. What I see Atlassian doing here is creating this experience around Rovo because Rovo's got tentacles. Rovo can reach and it can plug in and it's going to make synergies of data just 1,000 times better. And so when you're with Jira, when you're with the Atlassian tools, and you have so much invested in Rovo, as Atlassian starts to increase the prices of things, you're going to be kind of forced to have to pay because you're just going to be so well integrated. But very clever, smart move to just get everybody in for free here, again, included, and give them a taste, right? Give them a taste of what's possible. They're going to get hooked because the productivity gains that you're going to get with Rovo are just exponential. And so this is a very smart move, very interesting move. A longer play, I think Atlassian's going to have to wait 3, 5, maybe 7 years to fully realize the gains of this. But as they continue to evolve, as they continue to pivot, as they continue to make Rovo better, I can see this working out really, really well for Atlassian shareholders and for the community as a whole. So smart move, smart play. Kudos to the Atlassian team for realizing that they made a mistake a year ago, backtracking on it and fixing it this time around. So that's the power of a company that can see the future and can react to the future. So make sure you subscribe, make sure you drop because we're going to be dropping a lot more videos on our Team 25 announcements.